How to get true stretch resolution in Valorant. So if you want to get true stretch resolution in your Valorant, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First, you need to launch your Valorant normally. Before making any changes, open Valorant and be sure that your in-game resolution is set to your monitor's native resolution. Second thing you need to do is disable your monitor in Device Manager. Right-click on your Windows, go with your Device Manager, expand the Monitors section. Right-click on your monitor, usually labeled as generic PNP monitor or the monitor that you are using. Right-click on it and then go with Disable Device. Don't worry, this won't negatively affect your system. It simply tricks Valorant into recognizing custom resolutions as valid full-screen options. Now, step 3 is to create a custom resolution. You need to open up your NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Change Resolution. Here on the top left, you'll have Display, and under Display, you'll have Change Resolution. Click on Customize, and then Create Custom Resolution, which is right here. Enable the resolutions not exposed by the display. Enter one of the tested resolutions below, which is 1280 into 882 or 1568 into 1080. Set your refresh rate to 144 or 240 and then click on Test and apply it successfully. Step 4 is you need to apply the custom resolution in your Windows. You need to right-click on your desktop and then select Display Settings. After that, scroll down to Display Resolution and choose the custom resolution that you have created. Click on Apply and confirm the changes. If you see black bars, switch scaling to full screen. Next, you need to adjust your video settings in your Valorant. Open up your Valorant and go to your settings, and under settings, you need to go with video and general. After that, select the custom resolution you created, find the letterbox setting and switch it to letterbox, then click on apply. Switch it back to fill and then click on apply again, and your game should now be fully stretched without back bars or a visible taskbar. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.